Hey Trojans, happy Monday. I hope you had a fun, restful, relaxing weekend. I'm so glad you're back here with us for another fun week of 5th grade math here at Goodlettsville Middle School. Welcome. You see right behind me, I've got my dogs, Walter and Bailey, but they are here to tell you all about our super high-tech agenda for today. Here's our agenda. You'll notice that we are going to start with the week ahead. Then we are going to look at a welcoming ritual where we try and figure out and decipher what is going on in an image. If you remember, a few weeks ago, we did one with a picture I took of an assembly here at Goodlettsville Middle School. This one is one that I promise I did not take, but thanks to the Creative Commons licensing, I'm able to use it for our class today. And then we're going to introduce a quarter two raffle. Then we'll work on a task about clothes hangers. And we are not going to get to number 5, pro-life tips, sending an email, so we can just go ahead and get rid of that right there. So first, let's take a look at our week ahead. All right, so today is Monday. We already talked about what we're doing today. Tuesday, tomorrow, we're going to do a task on our own. We're also going to watch a short video on group roles because we'll be working in small groups later this week, and I want to make sure we review our expectations for that. And then we'll also be having time for individual makeups. A lot of you all are missing some assignments, so I want to make sure that I let you know what you're missing and give you all some time to work on it. On Wednesday, we're going to start our day off with a number talk. Then we'll do a task. We'll also do some sprints. So think of sprints as a sprint runner. That's someone who runs really fast for a short distance, as opposed to a distance runner who runs for a much longer distance, but they go at a slower pace. So we're going to do a short number of math problems really quickly. Then we'll talk about some multiplying tasks, and then we will do another sprint at the end. It'll all be about multiplying small numbers that day for our sprint. Super excited about that. I love them. Hopefully you will too. On Thursday, we're going to do an independent task again. Then we'll do some IXL practice multiplying. Just multiplying smaller numbers, make sure we've got that in our head as we work to get into bigger numbers. There'll also be an optional Kahoot and other fun activities on Thursday. As long as I am able to, there's a chance that I may be subbing at an elementary school this week when we're not having live synchronous classes. If that's the case, I will adjust the times as best as I can. We might have to Kahoot and while I lunch, so I'll eat and host at the same time. But we will definitely be having some fun. The times might just change a little bit. And on Friday, we're going to talk about how to multiply big numbers. So this week we're leading up to it. We're thinking about big numbers, thinking about how we could possibly start adding them, multiplying them, and then we will talk about it all together. Awesome. So without further ado, let's take a look back at our agenda. I'm also going to take a moment here and just zoom in on that because we can. There we go. So just look at the week ahead. Let's take a look at this image. All right. So as we look at this picture, I noticed some things about it. I want us to think about it. Think about these questions. Write them down and then submit them in a message or a discussion post for today. But think about these questions. Where was this taken? Where was this picture taken? What do I notice in this picture that could hint at where it was taken? When was it taken? We don't have to have an exact year or an exact date, but is it newer? Is it in the last year? Is it in the last 10 years, the last 50 years, the last 100 years, or older than that? I wonder, how can we guess when it was taken? What characteristics do we notice about the picture itself or the things in this picture that hint at the time period in which it was taken? And then who or what do you notice in this picture? Are there people? What do you notice about these people? What are these people wearing? What are these people doing? How many people are there? What else do you notice in this picture? Are there buildings? Are there trees? Are there bridges? Are there cars? Are there animals? Are there windows? Are there no windows? Is it a field? What is in this picture? And what do you think is going on in this picture? Looking at everything we've said so far, the answers we've thought about, what do you think is going on in this picture? And then who do you think took this picture, and why do you think this picture was taken? Let's think about those questions. Write down your answers, and then make sure to submit them in a discussion post, a comment, or a message to me on Schoology or an email. And then on Wednesday, I will include in our recorded video the answers to these questions. But I want to hear what your critical thinking has come up with first. I want to know how you're able to deduce what is happening in this picture and why you're making the educated guesses that you're making. Awesome. Feel free to pause the video here, submit your answers somewhere, and then jump back in. Awesome. So up next, we're going to talk about a quarter two raffle. So we're about halfway through our second quarter of 5th grade. Between now and the end of December, when we're out for 2.5 weeks, we're going to introduce a new raffle program. So how raffle works is you get raffle tickets for doing different things. We'll talk about those different things in a minute. They're all going to go into a jar. And then just before we go, or possibly just after we leave for winter break, we will pull out names for different winners. And those winners will get a variety of different prizes. So it'll be things from gift cards to a socially distanced pizza party with your teachers to a chance to pie me in the face. Some great prizes. There might even be a few more added in there. But you'll have to earn raffle tickets, and then you'll have to be the lucky one that is pulled out of the jar at the end of the quarter to win. Our goal is to have 6 or 7 different prizes. We'll have everything finalized by the end of the week with prizes and everything typed up and written out so we have clear expectations. But you're probably asking, how can I get a raffle ticket? I really want one. Well, every time you submit an assignment, whether it's IXL, a quiz, a homework assignment in Schoology, you'll get a raffle ticket for that. You'll get a raffle ticket if you find a secret code somewhere in our class and submit it in the place where secret codes go. You can also get raffle tickets for participating, and whether you're participating in a live class or in a recorded class like this and you're submitting your answers to those questions, you'll get a raffle ticket. It is awesome. And then all the raffle tickets will go into one jar at the end of the quarter, and we'll pick out our winners. Awesome. I can't wait to see you get lots of raffle tickets so you have a good chance of winning. Awesome. All right, back to our agenda. We're going to go on to our clothes hangers tasks. There are 2 parts of this, and it is really challenging. I know that. But I'm going to set you free to solve this. In our live class, we would let you free for about 6 or 7 minutes on this. You could draw it out, you could work with some numbers, and then we'd come back together. Well, since this is a recorded version of this, I'm not able to hear your thoughts and come back together, but it is important that we solve these 2 parts. So part A, well, let me read the whole problem first. The Mainstay Company ships clothes hangers in packages of 144. These clothes hangers come in a variety of colors. Each package costs $15 per package. Walmart has ordered 12 packages to add to their store inventory. So part A says, how much does it cost Walmart to purchase the 12 packages? All right, let's take a look at our problem here, our text. It says the Mainstay Company ships hangers in packages of 144. So there's a number. These clothes hangers come in a variety of colors. Do we really care that they come in a variety of colors? Does anything in our problem so far ask us about the colors? Nope. So we can go ahead and cross that whole sentence out. It is just extra words. Each package costs $15 per package. Walmart has ordered 12 packages to add to their store inventory. So I see we've circled the 3 numbers in this word problem, but we're only going to need 2 of them for this. So it says, how much does it cost, and I know cost means money, Walmart to purchase the 12 packages. Okay, we've got the 12 packages, which is right here. And then we also want to know how much it costs. So we're going to use the number with the dollar sign, the $15 per package. $15 per package. And then 12, oops, sorry, not $12. 12 packages. And then we want to find the total cost. All right. Take a look at that problem. Pause the video here. It should take you about 6 to 7 minutes to try and solve that. I would definitely recommend that you draw a picture and then you label your picture. You might want to draw the money or draw the packages, but it's up to you. I'm going to let you free and try and solve this problem. If you want help with it, let me know. We can work together on it. Or if you want to submit your work for this part A, you definitely can. Pause it here, work on this, and then jump back into part B. Awesome. Welcome back to part B. We're going to go ahead and clear this away. And then I am going to, let's see if it'll let me do this. There we go. Part B. Ooh, went a little too far there. Part B said, how many clothes hangers will Walmart receive in their order? All right. So we want to know how many clothes hangers. They ordered 12 packages. And in each package, there were 144 hangers per package. So our question says, how many total hangers? How many total hangers? Awesome. Go ahead and work on this. This is your exit ticket problem for today. So in our Schoology page, under the Monday folder, it's Monday, it's still Monday. Under the Monday folder, there will be a place for you to submit the exit ticket. Go ahead and submit it there, and then you are good to go. Answer part B, submit your answer under the exit ticket link on our Monday, or in our Monday folder on Schoology, and then you'll be good to go. Have an awesome day, Trojans. Don't forget you've got assignments tomorrow in Schoology in your Tuesday folder, and I'll see you back here on Wednesday. Have an awesome day. Bye, y'all.